In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade the Nasdaq 100 CFD on MetaTrader 5. If you're new to CFD trading or just getting started with MetaTrader 5, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process one step at a time. Let's start by getting you familiar with your MetaTrader 5 platform. First, go ahead and open your MetaTrader 5 platform. This is your trading hub where all the magic happens, so make sure it's set up and ready to go. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the MarketWatch window. If you're unfamiliar with it, MarketWatch displays real-time quotes for various trading instruments. It's an essential tool for monitoring price movements and finding trading opportunities. Next, you'll right-click anywhere within the MarketWatch window. A pop-up menu will appear, offering several options, but for now, you'll want to select Symbols. This action will open the Symbols window, which is essentially a large directory of all the financial instruments available for trading on your platform. In the Symbols window, navigate to the Indices folder. This is where you'll find instruments like the Nasdaq 100. If you're having trouble finding it manually, feel free to use the search function at the top of the Symbols window. Simply type in NAS 100, and it should bring up the item you're looking for instantly. Once you've found NAS 100 in the list, select it, and then click on the Show Symbol button. This step is crucial because it ensures that the Nasdaq 100 index will be visible in your MarketWatch window. After clicking it, you can close the Symbols window. Now, back in the MarketWatch window, look for the Nasdaq 100. If you've followed the steps correctly, it should be right there, ready for you to interact with. This visibility allows you to track its real-time price movements and engages fully with the instrument. Finally, and perhaps the most engaging step, is to drag the Nasdaq 100 from the MarketWatch window directly onto the chart. This action will open a new chart specifically for the Nasdaq 100, giving you a detailed and expanded view of its price actions. It's on this chart that you'll perform your technical analysis, set your buy and sell orders, and make informed trading decisions based on your strategy. And there you have it. You're now all set to start trading the Nasdaq 100 CFD on MetaTrader 5. With these steps, you're well equipped to engage with one of the most dynamic indices globally. Remember, trading involves risks, so always practice due diligence and consider your investment strategy carefully. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.